Fees related to permit or license applications can be paid online through the One Stop app. First, make sure you are logged in to your One Stop app account. Then, click Pay. This will bring you to the Fee Finder. The Fee Finder will show you any fees that are eligible for payment in your items. Outstanding fees on One Stop app applications become eligible for payment when their status has reached approved. If your application status is not approved, you cannot make a payment at this time. Click Pay Now to add the item to your cart. The summary on the right-hand side will show a breakdown of each fee. Please note, online payments will also include a 2.99% processing fee. Confirm the total and then enter your credit card information on the left-hand side. The One Stop app accepts Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. Once you have entered your card information, confirm your billing information. This information is pulled from your One Stop app account. If this information does not match the billing information associated with your credit card, please update it. Confirm that all information is correct, then click Pay Now. No refunds will be granted once the City of New Orleans has accepted payment for a permit or license. If you receive any error messages, please make any corrections noted in the error message. If you are unsure how to clear an error message, reach out to the One Stop app team at onestop@nola.gov. Make sure to include the error message in your email. Please note, anytime a payment is attempted in the One Stop app, a hold will be placed on the funds. If an error message occurs, you may see this hold on your banking statement. Because of the error message, banks will not authorize the release of these funds to the city. The hold on the funds will release after 3 to 5 business days. If you do not see any fees under the Fee Finder, this means none of your items are eligible for payment. However, users can make a payment on any application that is eligible for payment. You can find eligible payments by typing in the application reference code, permit, license, or project number, then click Search. If your search is eligible for payment, it will appear in the Fee Finder. Click Pay Now to add it to your cart. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page to locate eligible payments. If the item is eligible for payment, you will see a Pay Fees link. Click this link to add the fees to your cart. After your payment is successful, you will receive an email from noreply@nola.gov confirming the successful payment. You can also find a copy of the receipt in the Documents section of your item. If you have any issues making a payment or are unable to locate a payment, please reach out to the One Stop app team at onestop@nola.gov.